back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you are notified when I upload a video and you are the first to watch. I see you watching video after video after video, but you not subscribed to your girl's channel. Come on now. Come on now, come on, join the fam. Come on this side of the fence because we eating good over here, alright? Also, follow me on Instagram if you are not already doing that. My handle is down on the screen below. It's the same thing for TikTok. Make sure you are checking me out there. Without further ado, let's get into this video that you have come to see. My hair has already been put up, braided up, and, you know, tucked back up underneath where she belongs, under a cap and a wig. Okay, let's just get that out there. That's where my hair resides 99% of the time. I would say 99.80% of the time, that's where she is. For the people that are going to be like, oh, that's nasty, that's trifling, that's this, that's that. Let me tell you something. This is my hair, okay? And what works for me, works for me. And I can tell you, this works for me. No, I don't go the complete 4 months without ever touching my hair. I do every so often, every 2 to 3 weeks, have to detangle my hair and then put some oils in it, moisturize it, and braid it back up and put it up under a wig, because if not, it will mat up. And that's happened to me before, so I learned my lesson from that. But as far as washing my hair, I don't do that. And it's not because dirt grows my hair or my hair being dirty grows. It's because I'm not manipulating it. Me not bothering it allows it to do its thing, okay? And I'm also lazy and I just don't want to do it. And that's how I fell upon this secret of me growing my hair as far as I did. I got real lazy one time and I just didn't wash it. And when I seen that your girl had like 2 inches of growth, I was done with washing my hair every 2 weeks. It just wasn't going to happen. Some of y'all are most likely not going to be able to go 3-4 months without washing your hair because you might have a drier scalp than I do, or your hair, you might work out, so you're sweating and your hair smells and you need to wash your hair, or whatever the reason may be. My hair is super oily. When I tell you oily, that's probably another reason why I can go so long without washing my hair. I feel like my hair just moisturizes itself. I don't cut my hair. That's another thing. I don't dead ends. I don't care what nobody says. I don't cut my hair at all. I think I've cut my hair twice in my life. Well, twice in my adult life. Right here, it's after my hair got cut, and that was November 16th, 2017. Right? That was the last time I ever like really got a real haircut. Aside from the time that I cut like an inch off, because I ain't had nothing better to do, child. I don't even know why I did that.
So this is my hair growth journey from 2018 to 2021. 2017, I did not wear weave at all. I wore my hair out, and I can tell y'all that my hair did not grow an inch that entire year. It wasn't until when I started wearing wigs in 2018 that I started seeing some growth.
I do want to mention hairstyles. I only wear wigs and don't do box braids at all, because box braids are way too heavy for my hair. Every time I got box braids, it would form a lot of dust, right, at the tip of the braid. And every time I combed that out, it would be like white stuff and whatnot. I would pull a nice chunk of hair out. And I would lose about this much hair whenever I would take box braids out. So I don't do box braids. I don't do small braids in my hair because it's just too much weight and pressure on my hair, and my hair is not thick enough for that. So I literally only do 2 little funky braids up under a wig. And if I do get braids sometimes, they're going to be big braids. It's not going to be nothing pulling on my hair, and it's not even going to be for that long. So now that we got that out of the way, just have an open mind and be a little receptive. Let's go ahead and jump into the maintenance part of my hair. These are the braids right up underneath that cap. I'm showing y'all the dandruff, the debris. This is almost 4 months after my last wash. I'm gonna take down my braids and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what the inside of my hair looks like, so that y'all can see the dandruff and the buildup and all of that stuff. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not a lot. It's not as shocking as you would expect. Way more than that for 4 months, but it's not. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I haven't washed it for 3 months. A lot of that buildup comes from when I am using Got To Be spray on the front of my hair. A lot of this. That's not a lot of dandruff, it's a lot of this. And I'm gonna part my hair a little bit more for you to really see that in there.
Here's where you're gonna see the amount of dandruff that I've built up. So this is not spray or anything. This is just dandruff over the last 4 months. So you see what I mean by it's not as much as you would expect for 4 months of no wash?
So what you're seeing me doing right now is I'm wetting my hair and detangling it. And I'm doing that because I'm about to use this As I Am Classic Coconut Co-Wash in my hair. And then on top of that, I'm going to be putting the Fable and Main Hair Oil. I just started using this. This is my first time using it. I thought it would be a nice addition to my hair regimen. When I read the directions, I noticed that this was supposed to go first. You're supposed to put this on damp hair. And then I could have been able to put this on top of that.
Y'all see the white substance on my hairline? That's all that Got To Be spray that's now wet from me spraying my hair down.
And this is how much hair loss I've had so far. And I wanted to just, you know, compare it to something that is actual, to compare it to a toothpaste. So then I just put a cap on my hair and I steam it. I need all the nutrients, I need all of the vitamins or whatever they got up in these products to really like get in that hair. Because after 4 months, yeah, we need all that TLC we can get. Okay, so I typically I think I went in that dry for maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes. And then you'll see me here just rinsing the hair out and getting all that product out. I am using the TGIN sulfate, paraben free, all of that good stuff free, yada yada, on my hair. I really like it. A lot. I wash my hair, I shampoo my hair 3 times. You're not going to see me do that in the video because you don't need to see me do shampoo my hair 3 times. It's unnecessary. But I shampoo my hair 3 times and I do my best to hold my hair and shampoo it and not just go to town on my hair and just make a mess of everything. Next thing I'm using is this Heritage by Mindy. I think that's what, is it by Mindy? Yeah, by Mindy. It is a apple cider hair rinse. It's like a very watery product. It's said that, you know, it's not supposed to lather, but mine lathers. Like a little bit of a shampoo. So if yours doesn't lather when you use it, it's fine. It's okay. And right now I am applying the Mielle Rosemary hair mask on top of that, because both of these products you want to let them sit in your hair. And once I apply that, I'm going to detangle it because I did tangle it a little bit when I was washing it. I'm going to again go up under a cap and steam my hair, but for this time I'm going to do it for 30 minutes. And it probably wasn't more than 30 minutes because I went and watched the show, but I'm definitely going to give that apple cider rinse and the hair mask a good amount of time, okay, to do a snug nissel in my hair, okay? And I just wanted to show y'all the little bit of breakage that came off from me detangling half of my hair the second time. And one thing I love to do to avoid me having to detangle my hair again and again and again is braiding it down. So I section it into 4 braids, I fully braid it, and then steam my hair for 30 minutes or however the hell long you want to, child. It's steam, it ain't gonna hurt, it ain't gonna hurt you. Go watch a show or something, you know. So once I'm back, you are seeing the hair. So I'm rinsing the hair out in the braids because I need to avoid tangling my hair again because I don't want to comb my hair again after this. You gotta make sure you rinse the hell out of your hair, okay? Because you don't want no leftover product in there at all, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of times where I'll do that and there's a lot of product left over. What I'm putting in my hair right now is this Shae Moisture Leave-in conditioner, this intensive hydration leave-in, and tea tree oil. But this is 100% tea tree oil, by the way. And instead of me doing them separately, I just add the tea tree oil in this, shake it up, and I do a 2-in-1. Because y'all, I'm lazy. I'm already doing a lot of steps. This thing, my hair routine, okay, takes me about 3-4 hours to do. Nobody got time to be sitting here doing one step by one step by one step, okay? So after I do that, I go ahead and add in Jamaican black castor oil. The one that I use is the extra dark one. This is the one that you want to use because this one has pure castor oil in it. The only ingredient is castor oil. A lot of the times they'll mix the oils and add a whole bunch of other stuff. Not this one. And this other squeeze bottle I showed you, this is basically the same thing, but this is a Haitian castor oil. They smell the same. If you're Haitian, this is really musky. And I prefer to use this than this because this is in a squeeze bottle. So it's easier to apply than just pouring this into my hand. Eventually when this is done, I'm going to pour this into this. And honestly, I could mix the two. I just choose not to because, you know, whatever. And you can see now that I do not blow dry my hair. I don't, none of that. All I do is braid my hair up and that's it. Put that sucker under the cap. Good to go. And that's all my hair loss this entire time. So that's the same hair I showed you from the beginning. This is the same hair right now with just maybe a little bit more from when I was detangling it in the shower. So that is all the hair loss that I have had for the last 4 months. Okay? We are braided, we are moisturized, and that is it. So I do hope that this video was sort of helpful to somebody. If you enjoyed it, please let me know down in the comment section what you think. Don't get messy in my comments. I tell you right now, I will block you. Period. Okay? Be sure to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Like this video. Hit that bell notification. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. As soon as I upload it. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is down on the screen below. It's the same thing for TikTok. Make sure you are checking me out over there. I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Peace out.